Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, June the 17th, 2025. It's no surprise that much of Asia Pacific markets are mixed today, actually mostly down, because there is a war going on in the Middle East after all, and this is an explosive war. Not only can it expand into the entire region, perhaps beyond, but it also potentially has a very direct impact on very crucial commodity markets and supply chains. That is why investors are waiting to assess the fallout of this war and the direction it takes. The KSE100 index is also subdued, not much happening, but it does deserve a look-see. So let's see. So this is where the market's at. Just a few quick takeaways, not much happening here. The market has been subdued since the election, as you can see here, which is very understandable. There's a war going on and investors across the world are now assessing the Iran-Israel war fallout before they make tangible decisions. Important thing to notice over here is that the RSI has once again fallen below the crucial level of 60, which implies that the post-budget euphoria that was building over here is now losing momentum. That volumes are declining and volatility as measured by ATR is also declining back this argument. The market is going into a deep think mode. This is the hourly chart of today's activity. The shaded zone is the first hour's activity. The market rose, formed an evening top, a classic Japanese candlestick reversal pattern, and the market did reverse on the hourly chart. So this is where we stand today. It's once again a predominantly event-driven environment. Once this becomes clear and the uncertainty is removed, is when the market will return to its fundamentals. So we must wait and see, as will investors across the world for now. Thank you.